And here's NCR North, natapikan.
And number 2.
Wala lang no! For NCR North,
Number 2.
side step lays. Yes sir.
Region 3.
Straight diretso. Oh, nag-jelly pa sa ere. Basketball, the bounce pass here.
Number 8.
Naghatid, tumira sa glass, pasok yan. So mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 3 versus NCR North. And ball possession para sa blue team. Straight, fires off the glass, bucket for 2. And here's NCR North. Number 1, Atiga, pass to the middle, holds the ball. The bounce pass in the middle, pull up J, won't go, battle for the rebound. Oh, the tip in and the finish. And here you go, blow team. Region 3, straight diretso. Oh, nag-jelly pa sa ere. Nagkape si Idol. And number 8, side step. Mga Idol. And a pass break here. Number 19, easy bucket. Here's number 22, bounce pass. Pass on the inside, loses the ball, recovered, pass to the middle. Atiga, launch, bucket, fin the free throw. And number 6 on the inside. And recovers. Natapikan, naagawan. Umatake, bounce pass on the inside. Floater, supal pa lang inabot. And here's blue team, Region 3. Nabitawan ng bola. Makukuha dito ng NCR North. Pass to number 26. Stop. Bounce pass on the inside. Kakaldag dito. Spins. Fires. Bucket for 2. And here's Region 3. Number 30. Mabibitawan ang bola. Nakuha dito ng NCR North. Chest pass. Number 26. Side step. Naagawan. Behind the back dribble. And alley-oop pass. Oops. Short. Fires. Basket and 1. Chest pass to number 2. And dribbling the ball. Tatlo yung gumardya. Oop. Nakalusot yung bola. Umatake. Scoop layup. Wala. And number 30. Nagmamadali. Bounce pass on the inside. Pinasa pabalik. Tic-tac-toe pass. And the finish by number 30. And here's NCR North. Natapikan. And number 2 all alone. No! And here's number 26 for NCR North. Number 2, side step lays. Yes, sir. And a pass break. Number 6 again. Lays up kinaliwa. And a pass on the corner. Stop fakes. Holds the ball. Di diskarte. Launches. Supal pa lang inabot. Number 15. Tuloy-tuloy. Pasa sa loob. Pasok yan. And that's the end. Buzzer beater. And the bounce pass, number 11 here for Region 3. Holds the ball, pass to the middle. Corner pass. Drive, side step, please. Bucket is good. Rebound para sa Region 3. Spin move. Umatake mula sa gitna. Floater shot off the window. Bucket for 2. Number 18, bullet pass. Pinasa ng kalaban. And crosses the mid lane here for Region 3. Number 18, launch 3. Bang! 3-point. And NCR Basketball, the bounce pass here, number 8. Naghatid, tumira sa glass, pasok yan. And crossover move, number 18, tuloy-tuloy, pinasa sa gilid, naagawan. And Boston and the bounce pass, number 18, fakes, slays. Bucket for 2 minutes. And here's team Region 3 bumangga. Spins, fires. Bucket is good. Number 18 Pabustan. Pass to the middle. Number 29 to number 51. Pull up jumper, free throw line. Bucket is good. And pass to number 18. That's pinapas sa gitna floater. Supal pa lang inaabot na Idol. At nabitawan. Nakuha ng number 3, sharing the play. Sa gitna. Fakes. Stops. Sa gitna. Number 29 holds the ball. Pinasa kay number 51 sa 3. Bang! And here's Kumaldag. Side step floater shot. Bucket is good. And dribbling the ball at the middle. Umatake. Side step lays up. Yes, sir. For the backdoor inbound here. Looking for the receiver number 11. Number 27 here. Umatake. Fires na libre. Easy bucket. And here's blue team. Number 11. Uy, nag-jelly sa Idol. And the rebound here para sa NCR North. Behind the back. Oh, pinasa. The dish and the finish. And here you go. The flash. Pinasa sa gilid. Number 11. Easy bucket. The lays up. And his team NCR. Number 18. Pabustan. Bounce pass. Number 8. Pass inside. Reverse layup. Ang lalim. Number 27 team. Region 3. Bounce pass. Na libre. And easy 2. And corner pass. Fires on 3. Bang! Bullseye! And here's number 15. Behind the back dribble. And the rebound. Nakuha na pulot. Pinasok. And number 1. Sa gitna. Sa core. Number 20. Bounce pass. Corner pass. Pass in the middle. Naagawan. Bounce pass number 6. Lays. Bucket is good. And for the middle, number 28. Oh. Attacks. Sa 3. Won't go. And nakuha. Oops, so palang inaabot. For the inbound here. Looking for the receiver. Bounce pass on the corner. Launches on 3. Bang! 3-point. And number 2 versus number 15. Naagawan. Number 2. Uy! Ang lalim nun. Di pumasok. And here's Region 3. Number 2. Lumipad na naman. Jelly Ace. Jelly. That's the end of the second. NCR ball number 51. Batak. Naagawan dito. Natapikan. Binalibol. Diba, pumanap ng butas, pumasok yan. And number 18, corner pass, fix, bumalik, kicks out, oop. Number 18 dito. Spins. Naagawan. Tuloy-tuloy, left-handed lays, bucket is good. And Atiga, pass inside. Number 8, pass back Atiga. Reverse layup, Atiga. And Atiga here. Atiga, pull-up jumper. Off target. Oh, na-rebound. Follow-up shot. Batak. Number 2, Giyaw. Spins. Oh, crossover. Oh, wrestling. Wrestling. Oy. Oop. Oh. And number 2 here. Step back for 3. Bang! For the inbound here. Bounce pass number 28. Nasundutan sa likod. Pass break ngayon. And all alone lays. Oh! Na-technical. Hinila yung ring. Technical siya. Naagawan dito. Pass break ngayon. And number 19. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Naagawan dito. 2-on-2 ngayon. And pantat kinaliwa. Oop. Number 50, Tinamegus, foul. And slowly dribbling the ball, crosses the mid lane. And pass to number 11 here. He spins, he stops, drives, side step, pull up jumper, off target, and the rebound. He spins, pinilit, pumasok. And number 15, tuloy-tuloy sa loob, supal pa lang inabot. And kicks out. Number 6, drives, lays up, in, basket for 2. And pass to number 51, bounce pass to Atiga. Atiga holds the ball on the middle. Corner. Batak, tuloy-tuloy, the floater, basket for 2. The ball. Oop, nag-spin. Number 15, nalibre sa loob, pinasa extra pass off the glass, basket for 2. 3. And launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Atiga. Bounce pass to number 29. Bounce pass to Atiga. Fix. Clutch. Corner pass. Pull up J. Bucket is good. Number 30. Sumigsag. Stops. Setting the play. The bounce pass to the middle. And bounce pass back. Agawan. Nawala yung bola. Nag-dive sa bola. Seconds on the shot clock. Number 15 is step back for 3. Bang! Bulls at pinulot ang bola. Number 2, bounce pass to the middle. Atiga. Atiga, di-discarte, stop. Polonches on 3. Bang! Sakto sa gitna. Number 15, gagante, corner pass. Drives, pinabitin. Gandang move, gandang tira. Mendoza. Pass to number 23, corner pass. Fires on 3. Off target. Rebound Mendoza. Bounce pass on the inside. Bounce pass to Atiga. Lays up. Kinaliwa. Rebound. Kicks out. Open for 3. Off the target. At rebound pa rin. Fix. Oh, my foul. Basket. And Mendoza. Sa gitna. Number 1. Atiga. Pass on the inside. Sakto yung pasak. Sakto yung tira. And naagawan dito. Pass to Atiga. Atiga. Fires. Atiga wala. Rebound. Fires number 2 of the glass. Bucket is good. And setting the play. Umikot. Nagposte. Fires. Easy. Bucket yun. And Espiritu. Binit-bit lays. Bucket is good. Giyaw. Giyaw. For 3. Bang! Giyaw! That's the end of the game. Congratulations!